Think Apple's new self-service repair program is awesome? It is. It's an awesome trap. I will give you $10 if you subscribe right now. That's actually not true, I lied. But subscribe anyway and turn on all notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Front Page Tech, FPT. Of course, show that gives you all latest tech news. One geek that is me, to another that is you. Hey, guess what? New episode of our podcast, Genius Bar, is out on all your favorite podcast places. On this week, we had one of the OGs, Brian Tong, was on the show. And, you know, we didn't really talk about anything too crazy other than Brian meeting Steve Jobs back in the day and spending 2 hours with him. So if you want to know what meeting Steve Jobs was like, go check out the episode. Okay, let's talk tech news, because I have thoughts. Okay. All right, so first up for the day, story numero uno. You know how it goes. You know I got to do this. Before we talk about the main story of today's episode, let's first talk about something smaller, and that something small is iPhone 14. So according to a new report from Kuoming Chi, and by report, I mean according to a note that he sent to investors, and then that note was seen by MacRumors, and then that report from MacRumors was seen by us, and then reported on frontpagetech.com, which is, of course, your favorite website that you visit every single day, right? Right? The iPhone 14, along with Apple's upcoming AR/VR headset, which, by the way, not to be confused with Apple Glass, not the same product. These are two separate things. Anyway, according to Kuoming Chi, both the iPhone 14 and that AR/VR headset will feature Wi-Fi 6. Now, this was also reported back in July for iPhone 13, something that obviously did not pan out. It did not happen. That report, though, came from DigiTimes. So, you know, no surprise there that didn't happen. But regardless, for real this time, apparently, iPhone 14 will have Wi-Fi 6E. But the most important part would be that headset. Yes, Wi-Fi 6E will be cool on your iPhone 14, but it is much more important for devices like that AR/VR headset. That sort of experience requires faster wireless transmission speeds to deliver quality augmented and virtual reality feels. And Kuoming Chi is typically accurate, so, you know, the usual take this with a grain of ass hair, but since it's Kuoming Chi, we can take it with a slightly smaller grain of ass hair. So there you go. That is news. How fun. Okay, sponsor, and then we're going to talk about Apple's genius self-service repair program. Today's episode of Fapata is sponsored by WeVPN and their hot new Black Friday sale. Right now, you can get 77% off of a 2-year subscription with an additional 3 months for free, which breaks down to like $2.33 a month. And with that, you get hooked up with the industry-leading VPN for streaming, supporting over 400 streaming services. You can secure up to 10 devices at the same time with support for desktop and mobile devices, smart TVs, gaming consoles, browsers, and more. There's a bunch of reasons to use WeVPN, but the best way to learn more is to just go ahead and try it for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Click those links down in the description below. All right, welcome back. So last up for the day, story numero lasto. Let's talk about this. You probably already heard about this elsewhere, which is good. It's from yesterday. But listen, this is my show, all right? And if I want to give you news a day late, that is what I will do. So yesterday, Apple announced, I mean, come on, did you really think this was a tech news show? No, this is the Jon Prosser show first, tech news show second. Half the show is just fart jokes and noises that aren't even words. Yesterday, Apple announced a new self-service repair program that will let you buy official, genuine parts from them, along with the necessary tools and manuals so that you can try to fix your own iPhone in your own home with your own sticky Doritos dust fingers. It will start early in 2022, will come to the US first. It will include the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 lineup at first, and will eventually include M1 Max. I'm sure after a while, they will expand it to more and possibly older devices as well. And on top of all that, if you use this self-service repair program and you repair your own phone with your dirty Doritos dust fingers, it will not void your warranty. That sounds pretty good, right? This comes after years and years of debate when it comes to customers and their right to repair, and it was totally unexpected that Apple just sort of caved and said, you know what? You're right. Everyone has the right to our genuine parts to repair their own devices however they'd like. Except, get this, it's a trap. This is not real. This is such a genius idea. Oh my God. Okay. You think this is Apple changing their stance finally on right to repair? No. Listen, okay? This is what's happening. Pay attention. Step 1. Sell genuine Apple parts to average people and allow them to averagely try to fix their phone. And by doing so, collect money. Step 2. Let the average people f up the self-repair and make the device worse. Step 3. Let those average people walk their happy ass into an Apple store for a repair that will now cost double because the phone is worse now. And by doing so, you guessed it, collect even more money. I mean, honestly, if you cannot see what is happening here, if you can't see what their plan is with all this, then hi, I'm Stevie Wonder, and you're watching the Disney Channel. This is not right to repair. This is right to f up. Probably. Instead of just making it easier for third-party repair shops to fix your devices, they just went all the way. They went, skirt, here, dumbass, you do it. I'm sure it'll be fine. Listen, I get it. There are a lot of you watching this show that are completely and utterly capable of fixing your own iPhone. I get it. That's fine. You do you. Have fun. But the average iPhone customer, the hundreds of millions of people buying iPhones, are not watching this show. I guarantee you, like 90% of the people go, oh, this is way cheaper, I just do this. And then by doing this self-service repair thing are going to absolutely nerf their phone. And they're gonna end up taking it right back to Apple for even more money. This is a big brain con disguised as a beautiful PR move. And let's be real, it is genius. Let us cut to live footage of Tim Cook right now.
I gotta do it, man.
Dude.
I mean, look at this. In the newsroom post or whatever, they emphasized the individual, the importance of the individual having this program. Everyone is so excited about this right now, thinking that it's some sort of like victory for right to repair, but it changes almost nothing. This still requires genuine, probably expensive Apple parts to perform these repairs. It doesn't help anything. It doesn't do anything about the like third-party repair service being able to repair your phone at a cheaper cost. None of that stuff. It's all the same requirements. They're just like, good luck, bud. They're just putting the responsibility on you now. And everyone fell for it. It's genius. Being like, oh my God, Apple's being so open and supportive now. This is amazing. They will let me fix my own phone because I have the right to repair. Bitch, no. They are banking. They are banking on the fact that they know you're gonna mess it up. And let's be honest, the vast majority of people don't want to be bothered with this. They still want to be able to take the phone to a third-party professional shop for repairs, and this doesn't change anything about that process. This is not a crazy huge thing. This is not a big deal. This is not a huge victory for right to repair. This is a trick. It is a trap. And everyone fell for it.